In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your spam folder in Gmail. It's something we've all needed to do at one point or another, whether it's hunting for missing emails or clearing out the unwanted ones. Let's dive right in and make sure you're always on top of your inbox. First up, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Gmail. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll land straight in your inbox. If not, simply enter your login credentials and you'll be ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a panel with labels like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. This is where all your mail categories reside, and it's also where we'll find your spam folder. Now, you might notice that the spam folder isn't immediately visible. This is because Gmail keeps it slightly tucked away to prevent clutter. To unearth it, scroll down this panel until you see the More option listed just below a section referred to as Categories. Click on More, and voila, a drop-down list will appear displaying additional folders, including your cherished spam folder. Locate the folder marked Spam, and go ahead and click on it. This will direct you into your spam folder, where you'll see a list of all the emails that Gmail has automatically filtered out based on its algorithms. Here, you're free to browse through the list and even open the emails to ensure nothing important is hiding in there. Just remember that these emails are flagged for a reason, so proceed with caution. If you find an email in the spam folder that's misclassified, worry not. You can easily move it back to your main inbox. Simply select the email by checking the box next to it, and at the top of the page, an option to Not Spam will appear. Click on that, and the email will be moved, letting Gmail know to avoid marking similar emails as spam in the future. Sometimes it's also a good idea to clear out your spam folder entirely. If you've gone through the emails and decided they can be deleted, click on the Delete All Spam Messages Now button at the top of the page. This helps free up space and keeps your mailbox tidy. In summary, accessing and managing your spam folder is a straightforward task once you know where to look and what to do. Regularly reviewing this folder not only prevents you from missing any key communications, but also ensures a cleaner, more organized email experience. Thanks for sticking with me through this guide. Happy email managing.